Class 5 Social Science Term 2 Unit 2 Hydrosphere Evaluation. Welcome to our class. Let us revise the evaluation part. First evaluation part is Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Hydrosphere is the total amount of dash present on earth. The options are A. Air, B. Water, C. Land, D. Plants. Correct answer option B, water. Hydrosphere is the total amount of water present on earth. Question 2. Find the odd one. The options are A, Ganga, B, Atlantic, C, Arctic, D, Pacific. The correct answer option A, Ganga. Ganga is a river. Atlantic, Arctic, Pacific are the oceans. Question 3. Water body that is surrounded by land on all sides is called dash. The options are A. River, B. Gulf, C. Lake, D. Bay. Correct answer C. Lake. Water body that is surrounded by land on all sides is called lake. Question 4. Evaporation is the dash stage of the water cycle. The options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Correct answer option A, first. Evaporation is the first stage of the water cycle. Question 5. Dash is a broad inlet of the water body where the land curves inwards. The options are A, sea, B, strait, C, bay, D, pond. Correct answer C, bay. Bay is a broad inlet of the water body where the land curves inwards. Roman letter 2, match the following. Question 1. Freshwater. Correct answer Kolluru Lake. Question 2. A lagoon. Correct answer Chilika in Odisha. Question 3. Joins Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Correct answer Park Strait. Question 4. Inland saltwater lake. Correct answer Samhar Lake. Question 5. Condensation. Correct answer formation of clouds. Roman letter 3, true or false. Question 1. About 97% of water on the earth is salt water. Answer true. Question 2. Water is not necessary for our basic needs. Answer false. Question 3. Water in the sea is sweet. Answer false. Question 4. We should keep the tap open throughout while washing utensils. Answer false. Fifth question. We should save water. Answer true. Roman letter 4. Answer the following. Question 1. Define hydrosphere. Answer. Hydrosphere is the total amount of water present on the earth, which includes water on the surface, under the ground and in the air. Hydrosphere is in the form of liquid, vapor or solid, ice. Question 2. Why is hydrosphere important? We need water to carry out many activities in our day-to-day life. We need water to drink, take bath, cook food, etc. Animals and plants also need water for their survival. If there were no water, the clouds would not be formed and there would be no rain. Question 3. Name the different types of water bodies. Answer. The different types of water bodies are oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, streams, lagoons, etc. Roman letter 5. Answer the following in detail. Question 1. What are the different stages of water cycle? Answer. The stages involved in a complete water cycle are: Stage 1. Evaporation. The heat energy of the sun falls on the water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. The water slowly evaporates as vapors into the air. Stage 2. Condensation. As the vapors rise high, the cooler temperatures make them cool down and turn back into liquid. This is called condensation. Wind moves the liquid around, leading to the formation of clouds. Stage 3. Precipitation. Wind movements cause the clouds particles to collide. They become rain-bearing clouds and fall back onto the Earth's surface by the process known as precipitation. This may occur in the form of rain, hail, snow, or dew, depending upon the temperature conditions. Stage 4, Runoff and Infiltration. The water either runs off into oceans, rivers, and ground surface or is absorbed into the soil. Infiltration. This cycle continues. Question 2. Give few steps to save water. Answer. Few steps to save water. Use water in a bucket for bathing instead of shower. After washing your vessels, check if the taps are closed. Turn off water while brushing your teeth. Check your pipes for leaks. Use a rain barrel to save runoff from your roof. Use the water you washed your veggies with indoor and outdoor plants. I hope you will do your revision well. Thank you.